Hi and welcome to this Getting Started with Zoom video. We are the digital health service here at the Life Rooms. I'm Jess, this is Zoe and James. And today we're going to be showing you how to use Zoom. Zoom is a video calling service that lets you connect with friends and family. You can also take part in quizzes and attend training sessions like the ones provided by the Life Rooms. And you can do this from the comfort and safety of your own home. All you need is an app on your smartphone or iPad, or the internet connection to a computer or laptop.
In this video, we're going to be going through how to get started with Zoom, how to set up and connect to Zoom, and how to use Zoom to attend a Life Rooms class online. To get started with Zoom, you'll need a smartphone, tablet device such as an iPad, desktop or laptop computer. And with these, you'll need a camera, microphone or speaker. Now, these are normally built into most devices.
You will also need a really good internet connection. That can be through your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. If you can watch a video online, that means you've got a good connection for Zoom.
So now we're going to be going through step by step on how to use Zoom. So first of all, when getting started with Zoom, the host will need to send you an invite to the session through email. When the Zoom class is about to start, you'll have to click on the link provided in the email and it will take you directly to the session. Now, the process will now be slightly different depending on if you are connecting to your smartphone, your tablet or your laptop or computer. First of all, we will now take you through a simple step-by-step on how to use Zoom on your smartphone or tablet. So for those of you using a phone or tablet, the web page will open and direct you to download the app onto your phone. If you click on the download on the Apple Store or the Google Play, then this will direct you to the app. Click on Get on the Apple Store or Install on Google Play. Once you've done this, the app will begin to download onto your device. Then go back onto the web page and click on the Launch Meeting option, which will take you straight to the session on your app. You'll then get an option to enter your name. Type your name in and tap on Continue. If it's your first time using the Zoom app, it will ask you if Zoom can send notifications and alerts to your phone. Choose an option between Don't Allow or Allow. Your phone will then pop up with Zoom would like to access your microphone. Tap on OK to use your microphone. This means everyone on the Zoom session can hear you. Your Zoom session will begin once a meeting host lets you in and gives you access. Once they have, another pop-up will appear on your screen saying, "To hear others, please join audio." You will want to tap on Call over Internet. In order to activate your camera, tap on your phone screen and a row of options will appear on the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Start Video option. A pop-up will then appear with Zoom would like to access the camera, and then this will allow Zoom to use your camera if you tap OK. You can use your front or back camera on your phone, and you can change in between the two cameras by tapping on the camera icon just at the top of the screen. If you want people on your Zoom session to hear you, make sure the microphone is unmuted. Your Zoom session should start with you already unmuted, but if not, you can unmute the session by tapping on the microphone symbol on the bottom left of the screen. If it has a red line through the microphone, that means it's muted. It's always best to mute when someone else is talking to avoid any background noise. You will also want to ensure that your volume on your phone is turned up to hear people in the session. In terms of functions and features, you can send messages to everyone in the Zoom session by tapping on Chat. This option at the bottom of the screen will then open a chat page. You can also chat to people on an individual basis by tapping on the blue option next to You can close messages by tapping on the Close option on the top left of the screen. When your Zoom session has ended, you can exit by tapping on your phone screen so the options appear. Then tap on the red Leave button on the top right hand of the screen. So we will now take you through the simple step-by-step process of how to use Zoom on your laptop or computer. So when you've clicked on the link in the email, it will open your internet browser. You'll then get a pop-up box saying Open Zoom Meeting. If you already have Zoom installed, click on Open Zoom Meetings, but if not, click on Download and Run Zoom. Zoom will then begin to download, and the download status should appear in a row towards the bottom of your screen like this. left click on this download to see the installation screen pop up. Once it reaches 100%, it's complete, and Zoom will automatically open. At this stage, you should enter your name and click on Join Meeting. You will then get another pop-up box saying please wait for the host to start meeting. And at this point, you might have to wait to be let into the virtual classroom. Once the host has let you in, a pop-up box will appear asking you to join with computer audio, so please select this option. If you want people on the Zoom session to hear you, make sure the microphone is unmuted. Your Zoom session should start with you already unmuted, but if not, you can unmute the session by clicking on the microphone symbol on the bottom left of the screen. If it has a red line through it, your microphone is muted. It's always best to mute it when someone else is talking to avoid any background noise. In order to activate your camera, you'll need to click on the Start Video option on the bottom left of your screen. This will then allow others on the Zoom session to see you. So now in terms of functions and features, you can make the image go full screen. To make the image go full screen, you can click on the Gallery View option on the top right hand side of the screen. You can also change the appearance of how the screen looks by clicking on the different options such as Gallery View or Speaker View on the right hand side of the screen. You can send messages to everyone in the Zoom session by clicking on the chat option at the bottom of the screen, which will then open the chat page. And you can also again chat with people on an individual basis by clicking on the blue option next to. Pop-ups of messages sent by other people towards you will also appear in the chat menu. When your Zoom session has ended, you can exit by clicking on the red button, Leave, to the bottom right of your screen.
Hopefully now you've got a good understanding of how to use Zoom. Check out the Liferooms website online to find out more about our classes and how to get involved. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!